It's 2 a.m. You opened Instagram to check one message. That was 3 hours ago. Sound familiar? What I'm about to show you will literally give you back 14 hours every week. But first, let me ask you something. When did checking your phone become the first thing you do in the morning? And the last thing at night? Here's the uncomfortable truth. The average person spends 2.5 hours daily on social media. That's 12 hours per year. You could learn a new language, master a skill, or build a business in that time. But here's what's really happening. You're not just losing time. You're training your brain to crave dopamine hits from strangers' opinions, manufactured outrage, and endless comparison. Studies show doomscrolling increases anxiety by 70%. I used to be that person. Scrolling until my thumb hurt, my eyes burned, and my mind was cluttered with things that didn't matter. Then I discovered something that changed everything. It's not about willpower. It's not about deleting apps forever. It's about understanding how your brain works and using simple systems that make resistance impossible. Here's your 5-step system to reclaim those 2 hours. Step 1. The phone parking lot. Your phone doesn't sleep where you sleep. Create a charging station outside your bedroom. This one change breaks the morning scroll and late-night scroll cycle. Step 2. The 3-2-1 rule. Before opening any social app, ask yourself, will this help me in 3 years, 3 months, even 3 minutes? If the answer is no to all 3, close it. Step 3. Batch your digital diet. Instead of grazing all day, schedule 2 15-minute social media meals. Set a timer. When it goes off, you're done. No exceptions. Step 4. The replacement ritual. For every hour you reclaim, have a plan. Read a chapter, take a walk, call a friend. Empty time gets filled with scrolling. Step 5. The reality check. Every Sunday, check your screen time. Celebrate improvements. Adjust what's not working. What gets measured gets managed. Here's what happens when you implement this system. Week 1, you'll feel antsy. Week 2, you'll start sleeping better. Week 3, you'll notice your mind feels clearer. By week 4, you'll have read a book, learned something new, or simply enjoyed 14 hours of life without digital noise. Your challenge starts now. Pick one of these 5 steps and implement it today. Which step will you start with? Comment below. The world needs your attention on things that matter. Your family, your dreams, your growth. Not on what strangers are arguing about online. Stop giving away your most precious resource to algorithms designed to steal it. Your time is your life. Take it back.